Alright, so we have a stock lead acid battery, stock alternator, 1-odd run, and then as you can see on his voltmeter, he is currently charging 14.1, and sometimes it goes down to like 13.8 because it's warm. A Taramps Smart 3, and then the JY Power NXT-2KF. The Smart 3 is currently hooked up to a DS18 EXL 12 dual 4 ohm, so he's wired down to a 2 ohm load, and we're gonna see what this bad boy can clamp.
USAC qualifying rounds. Lane 1. Dustin Hanson. Trunk 3K class. Competitors stand by.
Alright, let me know when you're ready.
Ready. Set. Go.
Hit it. 141.7
seconds.
dB.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
Nice.